Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first, let's open the camera application. I'm gonna change the brightness level a little bit. Okay, right now it looks better. So at the first, I'm gonna focus on the modes like photo, video, and also this more that you can find right here. So at the first, we can quickly increase or decrease brightness level on the photo in the video mode, just like that. Take a look, you have to click on the screen. When these two arrows shows, you have to drag them like that. At the bottom or at the top. Oh, I just misclicked. And as you can see right now, we can increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also make it manually, automatically by tapping on the screen. And it works the same in the video mode. Just take a look, you tap on the screen and then move arrows. That's very simple. Another option that we can use in the video and the photo mode is filters. So if you want to boost look of your video and photos, you can make it straight in the camera application. So you have to tap right here and just take a look how the color and the temperature has changed. As you can see, we can find here a few different filters, and the same in the photo mode. And here we can find a little bit more filters. Okay, let's switch to the normal. And also in the photo mode, we can add delay to our shutter, so we have to click on these 3 horizontal lines and then pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds. After that time, when we click on the shutter, the photo will be taken. Right now I'm gonna turn it off. We can also enable grid lines and the camera leveler to take better composition on our photos. So as you can see, this help grid lines help us to take better composition on the photos. So for example, if you want to get this logo in the middle with those lines, you are able to make it definitely easier. Okay, and right now I'm gonna smoothly move for more modes. In this place we can find few interesting options, like for example the dual video. When you select this option, you are able to shot the video at the same time from the selfie and the rear cameras. We can change theme of these cameras by tapping right here. And if you want to record the video, you have to tap on the shutter. Let's turn it off. Another interesting and useful option, it's definitely the 108 megapixel mode. So with this mode you are able to take more details photo. Like for example, I'm gonna show you how it looks on this logo. So that's the photo with 108 megapixel. Let's focus, tap on the shutter, photo was taken, and right now I'm gonna take the same photo but without this mode. So we are gonna take a look on the difference. So this photo was taken with the 108 megapixel mode. As you can see, we can find here a lot of details and we can zoom very close. Just take a look. That's definitely a great feature if you are looking for details on your photo. And this one was taken without. And here we can find also a lot of details, but we cannot zoom in that much. So one more time, take a look right here. Okay, and right now I'm gonna show you the clone option. So we have to go for the more, select clone, and here We got great feature, but honestly I can't show you how it works because you have to catch someone on the photo. We can clone person on the photos and the videos, and you have to keep your phone like that, and the landscape mode and the landscape mode. And here you got the description how it works. So that's pretty simple. The most important thing that you have to keep your phone steady and keep it in the one background, so you cannot move on the left or the right or something like that. So that's how the photo will look. It's pretty easy to shoot photos with this mode. I hope that you will enjoy this one. Okay, and right now we are gonna open the settings. And in the settings we can find also a few useful options. One of them is the volume button function. Currently is set up on the shutter countdown, so when I press volume up or down button, the photo will be taken after a few seconds. But the most interesting option is the zoom feature. So right now, take a look. When you press volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in to the 50 times by holding volume up button, and zoom out with volume down. So it looks definitely more steady than pinching screen like that with your two fingers. Or for example, when you cannot use your two fingers, you can just press with one finger this volume button. Right now I'm gonna show you how the focus and shot works. So when you hold your phone like that and press on the screen, you will take photo. So you don't have to reach this bottom shutter, you can make it right here. So it's definitely useful when you cannot use both hands. And another option that is very useful, it's save location information. So when you take photo and check the details, you will get exact location where this photo was taken. Just take a look. You have to open the details, and here you can find the exact location. When you click on it, you will get the exact location and the Google Maps. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.